When couples lose desire or interest in their partner, many times they'll blame that they don't have enough time in the bedroom. This may be part of the problem, but the problem is more complex than that. After all, sex is only one type of intimacy. Today on Reaction Reset, I'm going to talk to you about 5 types of intimacy and why practicing them is crucial to your relationship. When couples are first together, they explore things together and they're live with their feelings of connection with each other. But as you get married and you have kids, financial concerns, struggles at work, there's less communicating between the couple when they come home. They're exhausted and they're busy. So what ends up happening is more pressure is put on the sexual connection, making both partners, one partner feeling urgent and a need for it and rejected, the other partner feeling used, or that they're only there for one thing. This causes tension within the relationship. That tension goes on to create more arguments, more conflict, and soon neither partner is interested in sexual or other types of intimacy anymore. Intimacy, not sex, is the glue of a long-term loving relationship. Today I'm going to talk about 5 different types of intimacy. I encourage you to talk with your partner to begin practicing the other forms of intimacy. The reason is because you'll start noticing your feelings change toward your partner. You're going to want to start hanging out together more. And with that, you're going to spark your relationship, the physical, sexual part, as well as the emotional connection. The first one is experimental intimacy. This is taking the time to experience things together. It can be as simple as a hike or sitting on the park bench and talking. Or it can be as exotic as taking a trip abroad or going bungee jumping. It's not what you do together. It's that what you decide to do together, you do without distractions. And that means phones or kids. A second type is emotional intimacy. This means you feel safe to be vulnerable and share what you're feeling, and you're not going to be judged or criticized or looked down upon by your partner. This is your partner's ability to sit with you, be present with you while you cry, and still be a supportive mate. Basically, couples who don't have this part developed well in their relationship, they're at a higher incidence of divorce. Emotional intimacy is the main glue of all intimacy for the relationship. The third type is intellectual intimacy. This is very important because many couples overlook this, but the ability for couples to share interesting books they're reading, or even magazines, or going to movies that one of the partners finds exciting and talking to their partner about that. When you have this type of intimacy shared on an intellectual level, you're going to add excitement into the relationship as well as personal growth. It's very important. The next one is spiritual intimacy. This one is something as powerful as witnessing a miraculous event together, whatever that is for the couple, and actually being able to share it. It's the ability for the couple to wrap their minds around doing something or creating something that contributes to something bigger than they are, whether it's a project they work on together or practicing the same faith together. Spiritual intimacy bonds the relationship and keeps it tight. The fifth one is physical intimacy. This is not the same as sexual, but this is the ability to be affectionate, to touch your partner, to hug them, to touch the back of their neck when they're driving. It's the little things that couples do to demonstrate their presence. following this is obviously the sixth form of intimacy, which is sexual intimacy. This is not to be neglected because it's a very important part. And in fact, it is the absolute most intimate you can possibly be with your partner. Although TV and popular media makes you think this is all men want or some women want, I rarely see this in my practice. In fact, what I see more is that sexual intimacy is enhanced when the other intimacies are combined with it. It basically is the format of what every human being wants: to be loved, to feel exclusive to another person, to feel as if we're connected and we matter to someone we hold in high regard. Remember, change your reaction, change your world.